Guys, I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on your Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite. First step to do is opening Google Chrome application. In it, choose 3 dots on the right corner and there scroll to the settings option. In it we must tap on passwords and there we have password which our smartphone remember to our Facebook account. We can click there. And now we can copy our username, copy our password using this first icon, or after you choose this size icon, our smartphone show us password which remember. You can also edit all by tap on it and write something new. The last thing which we can do with this password is delete it from our device and account by tap on this trash icon and confirm by delete passwords. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.